Western Sizzlin in Ooltewah is closed, and now more than 40 workers are without a job. Good evening. I'm Kim Chapman.
And I'm Josh Robles. This segment spoke with one of the restaurant's former employees who worked there for 2 years. She says it's been difficult for her and many others to pay their bills since the sudden shutdown.
Nancy Willie says she spent more time here at Western Sizzlin than she did at home. She loved working as a waitress and considered her colleagues family, but she says that bond was broken when managers were forced to close their doors here due to a lack of business on Sunday.
To be honest, it was like going to a family funeral. We knew that we would never see each other again. We knew that we had no jobs.
Less than 3 weeks after word got out that an employee here had hepatitis A, Nancy Willie and about 50 others were without a job.
We did not know what we were going to do to support our families. Some of us had $6 to our names.
Before news of the virus went viral, Willie says this place was packed.
After it broke, the very next day, we had maybe 8 customers the whole day.
She blames the amount of attention the story got, coupled with the spread of what she calls misinformation, for the close.
There was a panic within the community that it wasn't safe to eat here, and that just wasn't the case.
According to an April 1st health inspection report, the restaurant received a 97. Inspectors noted the facility had been completely sanitized and all staff were trained on the employee illness policy.
The food was always good and hot, and the servers were good.
Several patrons stopped by seeking a late lunch, but left when they saw the shades closed and blue cloth covering the signs.
I just wish that it would have turned out much differently, because this was our home away from home.
Willie is now a waitress at another area restaurant, but says several of her colleagues are still scrambling to find work. In Ooltewah, I'm Bliss Ekman, News Channel 9.
3 other area restaurants also report one of their employees tested positive for the virus. Crescent City Tavern in Dalton, McDonald's in Chickamauga, and a Crystal in Fort Oglethorpe all have confirmed cases. No word if these restaurants are being affected financially.
More than 130 cases of hepatitis A have been reported since May of last year. Usually the health department says they see about 1 case of hepatitis A each year.